Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I will show you an easy homemade chicken shawarma with soft homemade bread, juicy chicken, creamy sauce, and fresh vegetables. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 110 ml warm water, 1 teaspoon milk powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Mix well. Use warm, not hot water to activate the yeast. Now add 1 teaspoon yeast. Stir again and let it rest for 5 minutes until the yeast become active. Now add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Knead the dough for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth. Apply a little oil over the dough. Cover it and let it rest for 40 minutes. Now let's prepare the chicken. Take 1 chicken breast, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon curd, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon dark soy sauce. Mix everything well. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add the marinated chicken. Cover and cook on medium heat for 7 to 8 minutes. Cook until all the moisture dries out. Remove the chicken and cut it into small pieces. Chicken breast is a great source of lean protein. Fresh vegetables add fiber and vitamins. Let the dough rise fully for soft bread. Now prepare the shawarma bread. Take small portion of the dough. And roll it. Cook on a hot pan over medium heat. Flip the roti and cook both sides until lightly golden. For the shawarma sauce, blend together 2 tablespoons mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup, 1 tablespoon curd, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1/4 teaspoon salt until smooth. Now it's time to assemble. Spread the sauce over the bread. The creamy sauce brings all the flavors together. Add the cooked chicken. Top with carrot, cucumber and onion. Fresh vegetables add crunch to every bite. Spread a little more sauce. Roll it tightly and secure it with a stick. Roll the shawarma tightly so the filling stays inside. Homemade shawarma lets you control the amount of sauce and seasoning. Preparing it at home helps avoid preservative found in many fast food. Your homemade chicken shawarma is ready. Soft bread, juicy chicken, creamy sauce, and crunchy vegetables make every bite delicious. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy homemade recipes.